Hello everyone, my name is Lilenia Echeagaray and I'm part of the Human Capital team at NatureSuite. I'm the Human Capital Process Chief in NatureSuite, and the topic that I would like to share with you today is the Unleashing of Power of People model. This model is composed by 5 different elements. The first one is the talent selection and attraction. We want to have the best talent in our company. The second one is our talent management process, that is composed by the strategic deployment sessions, feed-forward sessions that strive to looking forward how we develop our best talent, 360 evaluations, and finally our performance evaluations. The third process of our UPOP model is the talent planning, and then we have the training, coaching, and development process, and finally our culture crafting process. And with all of this, we are looking to unleash the power of our associates and have better leaders in NatureSuite. Thank you.